Well, there's a guy that asked me to come over. There was a guy that asked me to come over.
What?
It's 16.
Welcome to Hood Watch News. Please like and subscribe and enjoy the content. This smoker tries to get into this house. The owner opens the door shortly after. This lady comes on this porch and tries to steal a book, but claims she wants to borrow it.
Hey, what are you doing? Hey, get out of there. Those are my books. Who is that?
Sorry, can I borrow one?
Who is that?
This guy's going around with a garbage bin collecting packages.
Anna Marie.
What? Do I know you?
I'm sorry.
Do I know you?
No.
Will you please?
Not.
Those are my grandmother's books. Please leave them alone.
Oh, it's so nice. I'm sorry.
Can you please put it back? Have a great day. Have a great day.
Awesome.
Bye.
Deuces.
Bye.
Be sure to keep those doors locked. This guy's trying to open up this door.
Can we help you? Oh, motherfucker, don't put my...
We got another door checker. Guy tries to open this lady's door. She comes outside, but there's no need for that. Just talk through your ring. This guy's looking for his Tinder date. Probably got sent to the wrong house.
Yeah, what you doing in the house? What you want? What you want?
Well, there's a guy that asked me to come over. There was a guy that asked me to come over.
Who? What?
It's 6th
Who asked
Street.
you to come over? Who
Huh?
asked you to come over?
I can't understand
Who
you,
asked
hon.
you to come over?
Seems like no luck tonight. This guy steals an Uber Eats delivery. Can't leave your stuff out too long. Never know who's watching. Check this guy out. He decides to destroy the plants in front of this building. It's sad. People will like your decorations so much, they'll steal them or destroy them. This lady must have some beef with this tenant. She's etching something into her door. Holiday seasons are getting closer and closer. Already October. Check out your other delivery options just in case.
What can I do for you?
Oh, sorry, sir. Me and my uncle, we ran out of gas right on that one street right there, and we was wondering if I've been asking everybody if you got just a little bit of gas so we can make it home.
Nope, don't have any.
All right, sorry about that, sir. You have a good night.
Let me know down in the comments what would you do in this situation. Gotta remember to lock up these valuables. This bike was pretty well hidden, but it wasn't locked up. Even with garages, you can't be too comfortable. A lot of door checkers in this episode. Please make sure you keep yours locked, please. Also, keep your car doors locked. Check all doors before you go in. This house left 2 cars unlocked. With the holidays approaching, these people are just going to go harder. Don't forget about your other delivery options. Amazon has a lot of different stores you can pick up your stuff. As always, I appreciate you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video, please. I really appreciate it. Also, be safe out there and don't forget to lock those doors.